Hello, I'm Jill Flores, and I want to talk to you about several ways in which our PLC that we have generated as a team can continue to support the STEM teachers in implementing the engineering design process and evaluating its effectiveness. The most important element in any team collaboration environment is communication. We propose to connect at least once monthly with a representative from the other disciplines in STEM. It's important to work together to see where areas of content overlap and work with a lesson that is related at the same time or even jointly. In our particular sample, we are talking about collaboration between a science benchmark stating relate the reliability of data to the consistency of the results, identify sources of error, and suggest ways to improve data collection and analysis. And the mathematical standard, which states describe a data set using data displays, describe and compare data set using summary statistics, including measures of center, location, and spread. Both of these benchmarks refer to collecting data and using statistical analysis to determine what the data means. It would be easy to work together in a collaborative environment to try to do this in a particular project. Science and mathematics combine quite frequently in situations like this. Working to coordinate that the content we present is at the same time would be beneficial to the students as they would see the connection because they're learning it at the same time. If we can coordinate our curriculum, the students will see the relationships at the same time in the classroom. Secondly, we would arrange training in different methods that integrate STEM. So the ideal would be to come up with a project for each semester in which we could communally work with all 4 disciplines to solve a problem. Granted, this is a logistical nightmare in most schools. However, I believe that we could start with just 2 classes working together on a project and then grow from there. To engage the students with participate in an engineering design-based science classes, teachers need to be equipped with sufficient knowledge and skills to integrate science courses with the engineering design process. This is a quote from Ozkielik and Soboyski. Please see the references for the additional information because I definitely pronounced those wrong. Thirdly, to evaluate the effectiveness of what we are trying to achieve, we would collect data during the process. We would then review the data during our collaboration sessions and see if there's anything we can do to improve the data in our education process. Thank you, and I think this is a great start to something in coordinating with STEM.